Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find the maximum value and minimum value. So here we need to find the maximum value between value 1 and value 2 and the minimum value between these two values. And just double click here and press equal sign. Now type max bracket open. Now select the value A1 to be like the range between value A1 to B6. Let's colon. Now you can select B6. Now the whole range is selected. Now bracket close and hit enter. So the maximum value between these two values is 100. Now for minimum, again double click and equal sign and bracket open. Now select the value of A1, B2 and now column and select the B6. Now bracket close, hit enter and you will get the minimum value. It is 20 in between these two values. So in this way you can find maximum value and minimum value by using formula in Excel. Subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.